In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Samsung dishwasher error code OC, overflow, leak, drain reset, and sensor fix. Fix 1. Turn off and reset. You just have to power off the dishwasher at the wall or a circuit breaker. Then you have to wait for 2 to 5 minutes, then turn the dishwasher back on and check if the OC error clears. Step 2. Inspect the drain nozzle. Ensure the drain nozzle beneath the sink is not twisted or bent. Inspect the nozzle for any blockage. Verify that the knockout plug was removed if connected to disposal unit. Check for blockage in the disposal unit. Fix 3. Clean the dishwasher filter and sump. You just have to locate the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher, then remove the filter and rinse it under the warm water to clear debris from the sump and drain opening. Then you have to reassemble the filter securely. Fix 4. Check for excessive suds. Using excessive or incorrect detergent can cause a foam and resemble overflow. Run a rinse cycle without a detergent to eliminate suds. Only use a dishwasher safe detergent in a correct amount. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.